Hello everyone, my name is Mikael Majizo. Today let's talk about leaves. Leaves of a tree. What types of leaves do you think of? Maybe vines? We can use vines as lassos. I'm a cowboy using vines as a lasso. How about very beautiful leaves like green, fall? Let's talk about the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is the green part of the leaf. That is why the leaf is green. But you know what this is? There is a little bit of red, orange, yellow, and even a little purple. But because green is the strongest color, then the leaf is green. Let me see. There are many leaves here, but I can't see any leaves. I have many leaves in my yard. Now, okay. Do you know what happened next? The chlorophyll is beautiful, truly beautiful, perfect. But it was even beautifuler at the next part. Yes, it is very beautiful, truly beautiful, not only beautiful. But do you know what this is? When the part that the chlorophyll begins to die, then the leaf is also going to die. How can I believe it? I can control your mind. I can feel that the plant is controlling my mind. I can think of something like that. Only the chlorophyll, only the color that dies, then the whole leaf dies and falls off from the tree. That's impossible. Imagine if it happens to us. If we pull out a teeth, if we pull out and if we lost any part of our body, then we'd be dead like leaves. Like even when you pull a tooth out, then you'll be dead and stay in hell or heaven forever. So you should be thankful that you are not the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis are another way that you could call plants. This is so sick. Okay. You know that in summer it always do something like still green, but it's still pretty beautiful, right? But also like this. When in the fall or almost winter the air is cool, then the chlorophyll is started to die. That if the chlorophyll started to die, the green color started to disappear, and the orange, the yellow, the red, and the little purple started to appear on different leaves. That's incredible, right? But also, if all of those colors go and we could see those colors, that means they are dead. Because they fall out of the tree, and they couldn't survive without the tree. Something that is a living thing, that is being something like it's dead, that it couldn't move anymore. It couldn't see, couldn't taste, couldn't smell, couldn't do anything. Then you couldn't do anything. What you could do? But you know sometimes that the leaves could be very big, long, strandy. We wave it, it is still wobbly. Also, some leaves have little bumps. Some leaves are smooth and small. Some leaves are so small that they only have size as a centimeter. That's really small. So now that's the end of my lesson. Goodbye, everyone. See you for more fun facts.